Guten Tag, sprechen Sie Deutsch? If you come across this kind of question when you visit Germany, so just think of it, okay? How will you react, right? Now, this means good day, do you speak German? So, if you come across this type of question, how will you answer it? Okay, so there will be two answers. First one will be nein, meaning no. The second one will be ja, ich spreche bisschen Deutsch, meaning I speak little German. So you will definitely know that the second answer will be correct, okay, or the impact of second answer will be good. Suppose you say at least you know little German, then it is always better, always better. So today's video is all about that. In today's video we'll see why to learn German and how to learn German. So I will give you some 7 tricks, tips and tricks to learn German. But first we'll see what are the reasons to learn German. So we'll start with the video. Now see, if you go to Germany for education purpose, right? So it is always better to learn their language. Now just imagine if you go there, if you go to German university for doing your studies, there will be majority students who know English, right? But there will be few students who are not comfortable talking in English, okay? And if you want to be friend with them, so only language will be the barrier, right? So it is always better to learn the local language. Now, if you go there for business purpose, then also you should know German. For communication, it is always better to know the new language or German language in this case, right? Then, if there are actually some student exchange programs, okay? So in that case, German students, they come to India, Indian students, they go to Germany. So in that case, if you know their language, just imagine how the impact will be, okay? Even if you go there for tourist, as a tourist, for tourism, then also it will be very helpful if you know their local language. For inquiring anything, or for that matter, if you need something, you need some help, then it is always better, right, to know their language or to know the local language, correct? Now, if you are giving Goethe Institute exams from A1 to C2, then also you have to learn German, right? So it is always better to learn, for that matter, any foreign language. And of course, it adds value to your knowledge, isn't it? Okay, so these are the few reasons we have seen why to learn German. Now we'll see how to learn German. I will give you some 7 tips. Okay, if you follow those, you will learn German very easily. It won't be so difficult for you. First one will be always be in mind that don't interfere your first language with German or whatever new language you are studying. Don't just interfere, because these two languages are separate, okay? They are not interconnected. Don't just translate blindly the English sentence into German. That will be wrong, because construction of sentence in both the languages is different. So think in German, right? Think in German and make the sentence in German. Then you will get to know the language, right? Now the second one is always learn German nouns with their genders. This is very important part of German grammar. Unlike in English, for nouns there are different genders, okay? And you have to follow that rule, because there will be definite articles we have to place before the nouns. So for example, let's say for a masculine noun, it will be der. For feminine, it will be die. And for neutral, it will be das. Correct? So always learn German nouns with their gender. Now the third rule is get a good dictionary. Okay, this is also very important. Invest in a good dictionary, English to German or German to English, because with that you will learn new words. Your vocabulary will increase. Okay, learn at least 10 words each, 10 new words each. Okay, German words each day. So your vocabulary will increase. On my channel, there are various shorts. If you go through it, you will know that there are a lot of new words, right? So your vocabulary will increase. This is the third tip. Then the fourth one is be patient. Okay, learning a new language, it takes time. It is not just 15 days or month. It is not like that. You have to learn patiently, then you will be able to master that language one day. Okay, clear? Okay. Then the next one is be consistent. Okay, consistently you practice or learn. Practice regularly, right? Devote some time learning German in your day schedule. Half an hour, 1 hour, but at least learn or practice regularly, consistently. So you will be able to know the language after few months or a year, you can say. Okay. Then the next one is develop a feeling for the language. Okay, this is very important point, because lot of people, they just learn the language, but you have to develop the feeling for that language, particular language, whichever you are learning. Okay, right. Now the seventh tip, you can say, this is one bonus tip from my side, that is learn from basics. Right, don't jump and try to make very complicated sentences, very long sentences. That is not correct. Start from basics. At least make some 2 words sentence or 3 words sentence initially. Once you are confident, then you go for complicated sentences, but first start with basics. And last but not the least, go through my videos. There are n numbers of videos on my channel. So variety of videos starting from basics. There are different dialogues in different situations. So you will learn the language easily. Okay. There are a lot of videos and more videos are coming. Okay. Lot of more videos are coming. So stay connected. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.